Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app or YouTube Studio while signed into the channel that owns the short. Locate Library, then your videos, and tap the short you want to change. Once done, confirm the short has finished processing, otherwise the cover option may be locked. Make sure you have the updated app version and a stable connection. Now tap the three-dot menu or the edit pencil visible beside the short to access thumbnail options and begin replacing the cover image. Next, choose Edit then Thumbnail or the equivalent edit video path. This opens frame selection and upload controls. You can pick one of the auto-generated frames by scrubbing the clip or tap Upload to add a custom vertical image from your device. When uploading, make sure the file is 1080 by 1920 pixels, under 2 MB, and in JPG or PNG format so YouTube accepts it. Once you select or upload, you will see a preview. Confirm it looks right before saving changes. Finally, tap Save or Publish to apply the new cover and wait a few minutes for the update to propagate across devices. If you don't see the new thumbnail, clear the app cache, refresh the page, or check the short from another device to rule out local caching. Make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, retry the upload with a different image or use YouTube Studio on desktop where thumbnail controls are more robust. This usually resolves remaining errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.